Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're tackling a frustrating but incredibly common Windows issue: your Wi-Fi completely refusing to turn on or connect after waking your computer from sleep. This usually happens because of driver instability or power management conflicts. As you can see on my screen right now, even when I try to force the Wi-Fi toggle on, it just flips right back off. If you're dealing with this, don't worry. We're going to walk through 6 proven solutions to get your connection back up and running reliably. Let's start with the most common culprit: Windows turning off your network card to save power and forgetting to wake it back up. First, hit your Windows search bar, type dvmgmt.imitsc, and press Enter to open the device manager. Locate network adapters and expand the list. Find your wireless card. Mine is a Broadcom adapter, but yours might be Intel or Realtek. Right-click it and select Properties. Head over to the Power Management tab and uncheck the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. If that doesn't do the trick, our next step is disabling Fast Startup. While it sounds like a good feature, Fast Startup prevents Windows from fully shutting down, which can trap your Wi-Fi driver in a glitched state. Right-click the battery icon in your taskbar and select Power Options, or search for Power Plan in the Windows Start menu. Click on Choose what the power buttons do on the left. Next, click the shield icon at the top that says Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now, scroll down, uncheck, turn on Fast Startup, and save your changes. This ensures a clean slate for your network card every time you boot. Next up, let's make sure the background network service in Windows is running smoothly. Open your search bar again, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Scroll all the way down until you find the WLAN autoconfig service. Right-click it and select Properties. First, ensure the startup type is set to automatic. Then, if the service is already running, click Stop, wait a brief moment, and click Start to refresh it. Hit Apply and OK. Sometimes, your built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi chips cross signals and interfere with each other after waking up. Let's head back to the device manager, right-click your Wi-Fi card, and open Properties again. This time, switch to the Advanced tab. Look through the property list for Bluetooth collaboration. Click on it, change the value on the right to disabled, and click OK. If you're still stuck, we can completely flush and reset your network preferences using a couple of quick commands. Search for PowerShell in your Start menu, right-click it, and select Run as administrator. Once the window pops up, type the first command, netwinsock reset, and hit Enter. Next, type netint IP reset and press Enter again. This will completely clear and rebuild your network stack configuration. Our final solution is a clean driver refresh. Go back to Device Manager one last time. Right-click your wireless card and select Uninstall Device. Critical step here: leave the box that says Attempt to remove the driver for this device unchecked. We do not want to delete the driver files. We just want Windows to force reinstall the card upon the next boot. Click uninstall. With all of those steps completed, go ahead and restart your computer. Once your system boots back up, your Wi-Fi should connect automatically and, more importantly, stay connected even after you put your laptop to sleep and wake it back up. These steps completely resolve the issue on my Broadcom card, and I hope they did for you too. If this video helped you get back online, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more quick tech fixes. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.